I am Gowda.R. I am pursuing MBA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, A section, subject Management, Organization and Behavior, subject code MBA 101, topic Nature of Leading and Traits and Behavior Leading. Submitted to Naveen Kumar, Assistant Professor of MBA. Nature of Leading and Traits and Behavior Leading. Introduction to Leadership. Leadership is the process of influencing others towards achieving common goals. It involves the ability to inspire and motivate individuals or groups. Understanding the nature of leading is crucial for effective management and organizational success. The nature of leading. Leading is not just about authority, it's about fostering relationships. It encompasses decision making, guiding, and supporting team members. The nature of leading is dynamic and can adapt to various contexts and challenges. Importance of leadership. Effective leadership drives organizational performance and employee engagement. It shapes the culture and values of an organization. Good leadership can lead to increased innovation and adaptability in a competitive environment. Key leadership traits. Traits such as emotional intelligence are essential for understanding team dynamic. Resilience allows leaders to navigate challenges and setbacks effectively. Visionary thinking helps leaders to set clear goals and inspire others. Behavioral approaches to leadership. Behavioral approaches focus on the action of rather than their traits. Effective leaders often demonstrate behaviors such as active listening and open communication. They engage in supportive actions that foster a positive work environment. Transformational leadership. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate followers to exit their own self interest. They emphasize personal development and collective goal achievement. Such leaders are often seen as role models who create a vision and foster innovation. Situational leadership. Situational leadership emphasizes adapting leadership style based on the context. Leaders assess the needs of their team and the demand of the situation. This flexibility allows leaders to be more effective in diverse scenarios. Conclusion. Evolving leadership. The nature of leading continues to evolving with changes in society and technology. Leaders must continually develop their traits and behavior to meet new challenges. Ongoing personal and professional growth is crucial for effective leadership. Feel free to modify any part of presentation to better fit your needs.